Good morning everyone. So welcome again to another Sponty Adventures with me and my partner. So for today's adventure, we will be going to Big Bear Lake. Sobrang famous yung Big Bear Lake pagdating ng winter kasi doon nagsiski, snowboarding, all of that stuff. But during summer times, marami pa rin namang tao during weekends dahil sa lake. So people goes fishing there and nagre-rent sila ng boat, jet ski, paddleboarding, kayaking, pwede ka mag-rent doon. Yung isa kong dream na makasakay ng pontoon boat is mangyayari na. So, pinili namin na 7 a.m. kasi nag-rent kami ng boat for 11 a.m. sa Big Bear Marina. Nung binook ko siya, nakalagay doon kailangan 30 minutes nandun ka kasi meron pa atang instructions na kailangan ituro sa'yo before ka mag-dock off or umalis ng lake. And after that, meron kami 2 p.m. check-in. Naghanap kami ng Airbnb in front of the lake. Yun yung pinili ko, though marami namang options na pwede akong mapili doon. But para pagkagising ko sa umaga, diretso ako sa lake, mag-fishing ako doon sa umaga. So, gigising ka sa sunrise. Yun, so we'll take you into this new adventure with us. Our Sponty Adventures. And
What?
Sobing is here. She had her coffee. She's just wearing slippers and I'm wearing shoes.
We're going to the lake.
And we're going to the lake and we'll meet you guys over there. Bye. Nag-stop kami sa gilid. Nandito na kami, malapit na kami sa Big Bear. Nag-stop kami sa gilid kasi may nakita kaming look at this. It's nice. Medyo madulas. Ganda. Di ko alam kung kita nyo yun pero ang ganda niya. Dito lang kami sa gilid ng daan. Diyan. Tapos nag-stop kami. Sobrang ganda. Pero pag napansin nyo yung mga trees, parang nasunog. So, doon kami galing sa pinakamababang part na yun. Parang nasunog yung trees. Ganda nito. Wow. So, meron pa kaming amoy siyang sampagita.
Talaga?
Oo, amoy siyang sampagita. So, we're here at Running Springs. Para tong ang tawag dito, walang katao-tao. So, pangalawa na tong nadaanan namin na parang probinsya. Tingnan mo, parang ghost town. Maybe because it's still 8:53 pero wala. Sobrang tahimik ng lugar. We still have like 20 more minutes on our drive. So, we're here. Nandito na kami sa pagrerentahan namin ng boat. Pero masyado kami maaga, like an hour early kami. Bibili muna kami ng pwede naming mabitbit. So, ito na siya. Ayan. Yan, one of those boats. Yung maliit lang talaga yung ipaparent sa amin. So, maganda yung lake ngayon, tahimik. Walang tao since it's a Thursday. Marami daw silang tao pag Fridays to Sundays, I think. Saturdays and Sundays. Full pack daw talaga, but now it's really a good day to go here kasi walang masyadong tao. Look at that. I'm so excited. And mind you, this is like my second time. The first boat that I've driven was like fishing boats, kind of like that. The small ones, yung ganun lang. And this is my first time really driving a pontoon boat. Yung mga ganon, yung malalaki, yung pang party, something like that. And maganda yung weather ngayon. Hindi siya ganun kainit. Mahangin naman. The water's kind of murky. But sobrang calm nung lake. Babalik kami dito mamaya. Maghahanap lang kami ng snacks na mabibitbit namin sa boat. Nice, kasi it's quiet here. Hindi nga sila nagjo-joke na sobrang tahimik talaga dito. Hindi ganun karami yung open na shops. Okay, so groceries acquired. Yun yung skiing sa taas. Doon. Ito kami sa Bonds. Dollar Tree. Yan. Konti lang talaga binili namin kasi I don't plan on getting too full on the boat. Ayoko masuka-suka doon. Temperature-wise, maganda. Mainit pero mahangin. Dito na tayo. Ito yung mga meron sila.
Round. Okay, all right.
It's sitting in the water. It's red or orange. Okay.
That's a-
Let's go drive this out.
Yeah,
Once you guys are ready, you'll head out to the blue flag to your right from the guys.
How many people to rent?
just two.
To the right.
The other person's an adult?
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
And what's a good phone number for you?
And then you don't have a 150 or a 330 yet. 7 papers.
What's the difference?
Difference, Clifford's a little nicer and newer and it comes with it.
And then I'm just gonna go over the map with you and you'll be set.
Okay.
So vessel assistance number, if you guys have any problems, just give us a call. Return time is gonna be 3 o'clock. It does take about 30 minutes to get from us to the dam, 30 minutes to get back, so just keep that in mind, okay?
Okay.
Get a speaker as well.
It's just Bluetooth, but if you need help setting it up, just ask the dock hands before
That
you leave.
person.
Okay, thank
You're all
you.
set. Yeah, of course.
Alright, you guys can follow me.
Yeah.
You guys been here before?
No, this is our first time.
Time, well, welcome in. Glad to have you. Have you driven a boat before?
Like a fishing boat that small.
Well, honestly, these ones are easier to drive.
Oh,
We're gonna be on this one right here.
okay.
You guys can hop on.
Okay.
Let's see.
Okay.
This is like
Yeah.
mostly from the one. Like, I'm just looking at these fins. You can see this fin,
Uh-huh.
silver, dented a little bit. Same with this one.
Okay.
Same with that one. So these people must have gone like too close to the shore,
Okay.
kicked up sand and rocks. The propeller still works fine. Just take a note of the damage before I send you out, so we know it wasn't you guys.
Yeah, okay. Thank you so much. We'll see you later.
Not 5 miles per hour, okay?
So makalagpas tayo dito sa mga boat na to, pwede na tayo mag-go beyond like 5 miles per hour. Wow! Look at that. Beauty.
The left looks kind of long. I don't know. We could just adventure first to see where.
Kailan tayo lalakas? Bibilis.
Pag nakalabas na, okay na to. You can try everything if you want to. You're the captain.
Nag-start na ako mag-fishing. We are hoping to catch a trout with the bait that I have. Power bait. Na natin to.
Reverse.
Beautiful. Alright, you can put it in neutral, turn it off.
Booking at Airbnb under Hillary and ask for early check-in.
Look at that. So this is where we are staying at. Ito yung condo na mura lang kaya ang dami nag-book. Look at this bear. Mamaya totoo pala to sa gabi, no? This is where we're staying at Lagunita Lodge. Doon lang kami, oh. As in, sa second floor na yun. Partial lang daw talaga yung view. So, galing ako ng Big Five. Bumili ako ng tackle box, spoons. Effective daw to for trout. Power bait, glitter mallows. Should work. This should work. Dahil walang nagbabite sa ano. Ayusin ko na lang yung tackle box ko. Hindi ko alam kung anong oras ako susuko dito. But I highly doubt may makukuha ako. Gising ako bukas ng maaga. Tapos, balik ako dito. Try ako. Nakakapakita na ako. Natapos na akong mangisda. Nakaligot na ako lahat. At wala akong nakuha. At nahulog na naman ng camera. Bad trip. And dinner time. Dito kami kakain sa Oakside. Order na kami ng food. I'll be getting the 16-ounce steak ribeye. And we're getting truffle fries, diba? And she's gonna get pasta. Truffle fries, our favorite. Ang laki. Yung steak. Pasta. Good morning, everybody. It is currently 5:07 a.m. And nagising kami mga around 4 kasi nawalan ng kuryente. Namatayan ng kuryente. Ang tagal, like, since anong oras? Since 4:30 walang kuryente. Pero, may sunrise naman na sa labas. We'll fish by the lake and watch the sunrise. Ayan na. Ayan na. Bumalik na. Nice.
Good morning. Sun's out.
We're back in the car. I didn't catch any. She didn't catch any. She's sitting watching me getting the sun. We're gonna get some coffee first. We're here at OJ's Donut House. Sumasagot.
Chocolate? With chocolate. Ito my breakfast.
That's yours and this is mine. So, the one that I searched, though they gave us a pamphlet dun sa Airbnb, nag-search kasi ako ng place on where to fish. It's like top 4. Juniper Point, it's great for rainbow trout, bass, and panfish. Second one is the Stanfield Cutoff. It's good for trout and bass and bluegill. The third one is Fonskin. It's a dam. The fourth one, the North Shore Landing. So yeah, ito. This is the map. Doon sa pamphlet na binigay nila.
Look for, this is, if you see here, this is where you're supposed to trolling path. You know what Mav does where he drives like 1 mile per hour, like really slow, and then the hook
Ilagay lang.
Yeah, and then it just
itadrag lang.
That's trolling. But if you try to look for the area where it's nice to fish on the shore, it's that. Look for that.
So I don't know if I'm gonna follow the one on the pamphlet or the one that I searched. I think this is it. I'm not sure yet. We're here at the Steinfield Park. What a beauty. What a beauty. So nice in here. Meron siyang yung bridge. Bridge to nowhere. Look at that. Flies.
How do you fish here? You go down?
Yeah. I suppose you go down. We are here at Juniper Point. Nakita namin yung pathway na yan. Dito talaga sa US, nagaano talaga sila ng space for hikers, bikers, and walkers. So out of all the planned trips that we had, this is by far, I'd say, the most na talagang marami tayong napuntahan. No?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All around the lake.
This is the most trip na nakapag libot. Like, though parks lang naman yung mga napuntahan namin, but we've been to downtown, yung downtown area ba nila yon? Though hindi kami nakapaglakad kagabi kasi medyo lumalamig na rin yun. Ako naman talaga ini-aim ko na magising ng 5:30 para maabutan talaga yung sunrise and makapag-fishing.
Look at the trees.
Ayan.
Tabi-tabi ako. Tabi-tabi ako.
Sabi nila best overall. Tignan natin kung mag-work. That too. So we just got home from Juniper Point and from Stanfield Cutoff. So we went to this bridge. But if you go further to that bridge, it will lead you somewhere. But we didn't go further kasi ang daming flies. After that, we checked the next park, the Juniper Point. Then after that, we went back. So this was really an overall a fun experience. We ate at Oakside Restaurant last night, and the steak that I ordered was so massive that I couldn't even finish it. But yeah, overall, I would rate this experience 8 out of 10. Kasi my dream was really to drive a pontoon boat, and I've driven it here in Big Bear. You know, when you get like overwhelmed or when you get too excited, you don't know where to start, yung ganung bagay ba, ang dali lang niyang i-drive. Para ka lang din talaga nagdadrive ng sasakyan. So we hope that you like this video, and we hope to see you on the next one. Aww.